last thing we need to do now, as far as floors go, is to put the concrete slab in. The slab goes all the way to the outside face of the house, and so I need to put my garage door in first. So, architecture, door, looking for a garage door, 96 by 84. You see the track. Now this garage door would open with a door on the outside of the wall, which we don't want. So I'll flip it. That's what I'm looking for, but it looks like I put in two. Nope, okay, we're good. And let's see, how do I want to locate that? I think I just put it to the center and to here. Let's see what happens if we equal it. Yeah, that's okay. It'll look good from the outside. There's not a whole lot of room on this side for opening the door, but we'll leave it at that point for now. Delete, enter, which accepts the unconstrained. And I just needed to know where the door was so I could bring my slab out to there, and that'll make sense in a second when I go up to floor. And then I'm looking at the kind of floor. Right now it says 3/4 tile. I don't want that. I want 4-inch concrete. And then I'll just draw my perimeter. It might go a little farther than the gypsum board, but for purposes of this demonstration, I will take it to the gypsum board. It really is going to go right up against the block or concrete of the footing. So here's where you see that the concrete comes all the way through. And then it would meet the driveway at the same level. So I'm just picking points. That should do it, except for the height, of course. So let's take a look at it in section. I want to look at it this way so I can show what I was talking about in terms of the slab actually meeting. So right now the slab is up here. We want to see if we can change, whoops. We want to change the elevation to the grade. Let's see what happens there. So now it's 4 inches below the grade, so I'm going to raise it up 4 inches, and it will sit right on the grade. Now, this is what I was speaking of. The slab really would stop right at this. It wouldn't penetrate into there. And I'll have to go back and clean that up later. But I wanted to show you, now we have the concrete slab in there, and that looks pretty good. The slab would actually slope. So it would be a little bit higher here than over here, approximately 1/4 inch per foot of slope. So this would be the starting point. Wherever that is, it would stay, and then we would raise this up so that it slopes 1/4 inch. So if you drive your car into the garage and it has snow or water on it, and that water drips off of the car, it will hit the floor and then slope away towards the door. And so that is the finished floor now for the garage. I have my raised platform and I have my floor slab. And that would be a good place to end this.